Nabżon nisimgħu mill-ħabib tagħna l-President Donald Trump jiena bniedem pożittiv u nibqa' nemmen fis-soluzzjoni diplomatika u dialogu sabiex jintemm dan il-konflitt bejn Iżrael u l-Iran li jsilu għaddej mir-Revoluzzjoni Iżlamika tal-1979. Sosna dan ma' Net News l-Ambaxxatur Iżraeljan għal Malta Ziv Boker illi propju wasal fl-aħħar jiem tal-karriera diplomatika tiegħu. U insista li Iżrael ma jixtieq ebda konflitt fil-konfront tal-Iran madankollu mal-Iranjani fundamentalisti infushom illi tul dawn is-snin kollha ħalfu li irdu lil Iżrael tant li f'nofs pjazza f'Teheran għamlu countdown għal meta Iżrael tieqaf teżisti. Boker sa illi l-Iran marru kontra l-ftehim nukleari u rnexxilhom jiksbu 50 kg uranju lesti biex jużawhom militarment apparti wkoll illi żdiedu l-investiment fl-armi balistiċi fosthom missili. U spjega li mhux biss Iżrael jinsab fil-periklu iżda l-qbija tal-Ewropa kollha.
Iran has developed maybe number one missile capability with long-range missiles, which many of them also cover Europe. So when we had to fight for our existence, also Europe should thank us for managing to destroy part of the Iranian missile capability.
Ziv Boker sostna li qudiem dan kollu l-Iżraeljani ma setgħux jibqgħu jħarsu u kellhom jaġixxu għaliex kienu qed iħabbtu wiċċhom ma' teddida eżistenzjali wara li l-Iranjani nstabu biksur tal-ftehim nukleari.
Intelligence indications we had more in the last few weeks showed us that if we don't act now, which is the 19th moment, like in soccer, I'm sure there are a lot of soccer fans in Malta, and you understand what it does mean, 19th minute in soccer game. So we could be facing a real existential threat for the state of Israel and the Israeli people.
L-Ambaxxatur sa illi l-Iżraeljani huma konxji tal-prezz illi kellhom iħallsu għaliex fl-aħħar ġimgħat l-Iran der illi kien ippreparat militarment tant illi l-bombardamenti mill-ajru ma waqfux. Madankollu huwa faħar ix-xjentisti u d-diviża Iżraeljana li qed ittaffi ħafna mill-ħsara u fatalitajiet li jistgħu jkunu war.
We shot down 85 to 90% of the missiles, still 10% more did cross, and as I said, they really didn't aim on military targets in Israel, but on civilian population. The major hospital in the south, in Beersheba, Soroka, was almost destroyed by Iranian missile. A mosque in Haifa city was destroyed.
Mistoqsi dwar l-aħħar dikjarazzjonijiet tal-President Amerikan Donald Trump fejn bi kliem ibes qal li l-Iran u lanqas l-Iżrael ma jafu x'inhu ma jagħmlu meta kissru l-ftehim il-waqfim il-ġlied, Boker sostna li kienu l-Iranjani illi marru kontra l-ftehim fil-waqt li ddeskriva lil Trump bħala ħabib kbir tal-Iżrael. Iżda fil-waqt li jifhem il-pożizzjoni tiegħu għandu jifhem l-inkwiet tagħhom ukoll.
I don't think there was any breach of ceasefire. It was the Iranian which breached partly the agreement that managed to arrange with President Trump involvement. So it's clear that from time to time we have to listen to our friends like they listen to our concern.
Intant huwa sostna li jittama li l-Iranjani jieqfu kompletament jinvestu fin-nuklear darba l dejjem u li jaslu għal dan mhux bil-gwerra imma bid-diplomazija u għal darba insista illi Iżrael m'għandu xejn kontra l-Iranjani.
Israel does not have any conflict with the Iranian people. I think it's the Iranian regime which calls for our annihilation. But I do believe that with the leadership of the United States, maybe with you as a responsible member of Security Council as the European Union, they will be able to get to an agreement that will guarantee that the Iranians stop the military nuclear capability with a threat not only to Israel, also to Europe, also to the Gulf countries.
Francesco Catania, Net News.